Hey folks, it's Christopher Dean here, and I want to talk a little bit about a small assignment that you're going to have to do, which is to create your own infographic with an eye towards actually using it in your expertise speech. This also is going to introduce you to notions of data and also to just the very concept of infographics and how they actually work. So what is an infographic per se? Let's start there, sort of from a definitional perspective. Infographic is, as some people have said, data sorted and arranged and presented visually, and I would add to that artfully. In other words, what you're trying to do is really, I think, make an argument through your presentation of data. So you're working from data, and you're sorting it, you're arranging it, and you're presenting it visually. It can be as simple as using a pie chart or something more advanced. Now, as far as the assignment goes, this is a very short assignment that you're going to be creating an infographic using pick2chart.com. And you'll want to take a look at what's listed in the syllabus under the URL support pick2chart.com/hc/en-us. And that really is the introduction, which is the make an infographic in 5 steps. Once you do that, there'll be other tutorials that you can use, but it's not that hard, really. As a matter of fact, to the right, you can see an infographic that I made in a very short amount of time. So ultimately, what you're going to do is try to come up with something that relates to your expertise speech. Try to create an infographic for it. It doesn't have to go into the final expertise speech, but it might actually make sense. And oftentimes, infographics can be actually very sort of persuasive. So ultimately, you're creating an infographic in an area where you already have some expertise, but you're going to do additional research. And you want to, with both your expertise speech and the infographic, convey something special about your area of research and expertise in an engaging way, visually. So thus, the infographic helps you make public and pictorial what you know. So ultimately, what you're going to create is an infographic, and I hope that this piece plus the tutorials that you're going to actually reference will help you do it, and do it in a short period of time, and you can begin to understand how you can actually make an argument through data on the web.